Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to be showing you how to get a refund back from Google Play in case you paid for a subscription or you paid for an app and it didn't work. How you can get your refund back from Google Play, I'm going to be showing you in this video. If you're finding this channel for the first time, we uploaded food tech tips. If you're interested in this niche, click the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications to be notified when I upload another video. And without wasting much of your time, let's get to the video. So as you can see, I paid for the subscription of Meta Verified and I didn't get it. So in order to request for refund, you're going to open your browser and you're going to search for play.google.com/store/account, okay? You're going to head there and you're going to make sure that you log into the Google account you made that payment with. Now you're going to click on payment and subscriptions, and on the payment and subscription page, you want to click on budgets and order history. Okay, you're going to click on budget and order history, and from there you're going to click on report a problem. Okay, you're going to select that particular order and click on report a problem. So now you want to select the problem that is related to the one you're facing. In my case, I paid for Meta Verify and it didn't work, so I'm going to click on didn't receive item. Okay, and it is going to bring you to this page. Under that page, it is going to tell you to please describe your issue. Okay, you're going to see the page there. It is somehow hidden. In fact, you wouldn't notice that you can write something there, but it is there. Just under the page, it says please describe your issue. Under there, you're going to click on that, and you're going to write exactly what the problem is. Okay, so if you paid for a service or you mistakenly subscribe, you don't want it anymore, you're just going to explain there, and after explaining, you're going to click on submit. Okay, now after clicking on submit, Google should send you an email that they've received your refund request. Now in some cases it might take up to weeks, in some cases months. I've once requested for a refund that took months, but in this case I think it took 1 or 2 weeks, and yeah, the refund was made. So yeah, I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, click the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications to be notified when I upload another video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.